In this video, we are going to show you how to use the TraNCE command line interface. Let's start by using the help command to see all available commands. And we are going to create the NRC query first. We first create a query 1, which simply gets the date and key from the order table. And don't forget the semicolon in the end. And then we create another query using the query 1. And this query is right now is temp, and we will rename it later. And don't forget the semicolon. Now if we're going to show them, here you can see it's query 1 and temp. And then we rename the temp to be query 2. And print again, it's now renamed successfully. And we make a program, an NRC program of query 1 and query 2. And before the evaluation, we need to load the table. And here in our example, we need to load the order table. And then we can do the evaluation. And first for query 1, here's the result. And then for the program 1. And here's the result. And then we can do the Spark generation as both of them are verified. And first for the program 1 using the standard pipeline, here is a successful message for Spark generation. And then we do the generation for query 1. And we turn on the intermediate state printing. As you can see here, the calculus expression and the plans expression are printed. And we do the Spark execution. The Spark execution will first package this generated code. And then after the packaging, here is the actual execution of the Spark program for query 1. And as you can see here, the Apache Spark engine will create a massive amount of log messages. And let's just wait for the execution to finish. Now if we scroll up a little bit, we can see the execution result of query 1 is here. And finally, we use the exit command to exit the command line interface. And that's all. Thank you.